Hi, welcome back to the garden. Just came out to see if there was anything we needed to bring in the house. We got a heck of a rainstorm yesterday. Give that purple okra another day. Oh, what happened here? Oh no, I think the deer got into the Jerusalem artichokes. The way these leaves are chewed off, that looks like deer. Sometimes you gotta let the garden tell you exactly what you're gonna do today. I think we're gonna go ahead and dig these up. Now when I planted these 2 years ago, I was afraid to put them in the garden because I didn't know if we'd like them, and they said they were gonna get invasive. But you know what? They're very delightful, and they didn't get very invasive out here. Let's see what we get. And with that rain, this ground is good and soft. So right now is a good time to go ahead and see what we got as far as roots go. See, there ain't anything on that. And we'd only dug a few of these in the fall. We kind of wanted to get a decent crop because they are very tasty. Well, there's a few little ones here. We got enough to replant. We're going to get them in where they're going to be safe. I'm going to get them in behind the wire. We'll go ahead and get these right back in the ground. Well, that's disappointing. But that's gardening for you. Let's go on in the garden, see if there's anything else that's not going to be disappointing. With the rain that we had, as big as this is, I don't want it to split and it's turning to blush. Look how big that thing is. I'm taking that into the house before a bug gets it or before it splits open. That is awesome. Got a couple more here, not quite as big, but just as beautiful. Now I'm torn. I was told once the shine kind of comes off of these, if it's got a spot on the bottom, it's gonna be ready. Look how big that thing is. If it's not ripe, oh well, I got another one down in there just as big. It's the biggest thing I've ever grown. And I know some of you are gonna comment it's not very big, but for me, I'm just tickled. But I didn't have a butcher knife with me, so we're gonna have to cut this up to the house. Now we got a couple Cherokee purples that are turning. Look at this, we got tomatoes 7-8 feet up off the ground. That's still not gotten to blush, and that one's starting to go to blush. That's not a bad size. As the summer progresses, and we got critters that are in here eating things, you pick what you can, you save what you can, you plant some more. I think our beans are doing just fine. Look at that. And our beans are doing great. And we got a Charleston gray. And another one of these monsters. So if the one I just picked, this one's not quite as big, but I think it's getting close to being ripe. You can do this too. And remember, if you don't sow, you can't grow. That looks like 38 pounds. Now, as I was walking up here, I decided you got to come back tomorrow to see me open this up. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think's going to be inside. I think we're going to have a pretty nice watermelon. I hope to see you there. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.